a Monday, May 27, 2024. Since it's a short day, this is my words baon for today. Cinnamon bread, at saka grapes, pork and chicken, medium ang pagkaluto niyan, then white rice. So, yan lang muna ang kanyang pagkain for today. Okay? You're up now? Teka na. I'm taking a video. Okay. Thank you for watching our viewing. Blessed state Rasol. Ito yung baon ng aking alaga today. Oranges and apples, the croissant, chop soy, and bitter salmon. So this is it. Yan lang ang baon ngayon ng aking alaga. For today's baon ng aking alaga, dark cherry pancake, apples, ilang apples yan, at saka, ayun, inano ko muna. Hindi pa ano siya. Yung steak yun, beef steak. Okay, thanks for viewing. Beef steak, tapos may veggies siya. And this one is dark cherry pancake and my croissant. And yung apple fruits niya, nasa rep nilagay ko muna bago ko siya kasi mainit pa eh. Hindi pwede yung tatakpan ko ng hindi pa siya nakasingaw. Kailangan para hindi siya mapanis. So, ito yung baon ng aking alaga. Yung fruits na apples kanina. And then, itong dark cherry na pancake na may croissant, isang piraso. Beef steak. At saka mixed vegetable. Ayan. Ayan yung kanyang baon for today. It's May 29, 2024. So, this is it. Maraming salamat guys sa inyong pag-review sa aking mga niluluto kada araw, pinapabaon ko sa aking alaga. God bless us all. Thank you so much everyone.